Auction, classified ad, and garage sale websites at curlie. Chapter 1. Auction websites at curlie.org/en/shopping/auctions. Auction websites. Subcategories. Consumer information. Search engines. Email. Antiques and collectibles. Arts and crafts. Autos. Beverages. Boats. Charity. Computers. Domain names. Guns. Jewelry. Livestock. Real estate. Specialty. Sports. Travel. Related categories. Business services auctions. Business services consulting marketplaces talent auction. 4-bid.com, 4-bid.com. Minnesota-based online sales, offering items such as vehicles, furniture, and homeware. AffiliatedAuctions.com, Affiliated Auctions and Realty LLC. Headquartered in Tallahassee, Florida. Sells real estate, house clearance, and automobiles in addition to regular lots. Bidding can be done online, on site of house clearances, or at the auction house. Shows upcoming and past events and items for sale. AuctionByMayo.com, Mayo Auction and Realty. Auction houses in Kansas and Missouri, USA, offering remote bidding. Auto vehicles, firearms, and collectibles sold as well as general merchandise. AuctionNation.com, Auction Nation LLC. Sells items from business liquidations and estate clearances. Also sells automobiles. Can be searched for by state or category. AuctionSolutionsInc.com, Auction Solutions Inc. Nebraska, USA-based auction house allowing remote bidding. Sells stock from business liquidation, real estate, auto vehicles, and collectibles. Appraisal information, FAQs, and contact details. AuctionAuctions.com, Auction Auctions, Inc. Sells antiques, collectibles, real estate, farm machinery, land and commercial property. BID4ASSETS.com, Bid for assets. Offering jewelry, real estate, and personal property. bobshop.co.za, Bob Shop. South Africa based. Also lists classifieds. Categories include baby, electronics, and stamps. Christie's.com, Christie's. Offices worldwide. Sells items such as fine art, antiques, wine and real estate. Offers some exclusive lots online. Provides a company history, a calendar of upcoming sales, a list of worldwide events and expert insights into upcoming lots. CowanAuctions.com, Cowan's Auctions. Antiques auctions in Cincinnati, Ohio, and Denver, Colorado, and firearms auctions located in Anaheim, California, also offering online bidding. Deal-com, Deal-. Retailer selling items using the bidding format. The customer must purchase bid packs to participate. Includes a page listing the latest winners. eBay.com, eBay. International person-to-person auction site, with products sorted into categories. ebid.net, eBid Ltd. Offering auction listings organized by category and by location. Featuring sections for the US, Canada, UK, Australia and Ireland. GoSwap.org, GoSwap.org. House and Land Permanent Exchange and Vehicle Trade. GSAauctions.gov, General Services Administration Auctions. U.S. government offers a wide array of federal assets. Surplus, seized and forfeited assets are available for bidding. HugginsandScott.com, Huggins and Scott. Specializing in baseball cards and sports memorabilia, also other collectibles. Listia.com, Listia. Based on a credit system. Categories include posters, cell phones and pets. LOLOnlineauctions.com, Loveland Online Auctions LLC. Specializing in estate liquidations, based in Ohio. Selling vintage, collectibles and regular household items. Displays previous sales and their results as well as the current catalogue. omegaauctions.co.uk, Omega Auctions. Based in Cheshire, UK. An auction house also offering online bidding. With goods sold in a variety of categories such as music-related, antiques and house clearance. Offers buying and selling information and testimonials. OrangeBids.com, Orange Bids. Retailer selling new items in a penny auction format. Goods are varied and include such items as Amish popcorn, paper plates, and store gift cards. PropertyRoom.com, PropertyRoom.com. Selling seized, stolen, and abandoned goods in cooperation with law enforcement agencies. Items are varied, including art, electronics and computers. Provides company information and a blog. Proxibid.com, Proxibid. Provides live internet bidding services with streaming audio and video to real brick-and-mortar auction companies. Chewybids.com, Keybids. Bids must be purchased to participate. Products include kitchen mixers, bracelets, and dog beds. Includes games and a Help 101. Salvagesale.com, Salvage Sale, Inc. Claims recovery and commercial salvage. StorageTreasures.com, Storage Treasures LLC. A self-storage company selling abandoned belongings. Includes a search for physical locations, listings with pictures and bidding information. TradeMe.co.nz, TradeMe. Free online auctions and classifieds for people in New Zealand and Australia. Unisquare.com, Unisquare. Organized into categories. Webstore.com, Webstore. Allows users to buy and sell goods in a range of categories. Various currencies supported. Chapter 2. Classified ad websites at curlie.org/en/shopping/classifieds. Online ad websites. Subcategories. Free classifieds. Antiques and collectibles. Astronomy. Automotive. Aviation. Books. Custom knives. Equestrian. Garage and estate sales. Motorcycles. Music. Real estate. Sports. Toys. Visual arts. Watercraft. Business to business. Related categories. Business employment. Business opportunities. Regional Europe, United Kingdom Business and Economy Classifieds. Regional North America, Canada Business and Economy Classifieds. Regional North America, United States Business and Economy Classifieds. Regional Oceania, Australia Business and Economy Classifieds. Adpost.com, Adpost. Covering a wide range of subjects including vehicles, employment, and personals. Jibo.com, Jibo. Classified ads for vehicles, real estate, rentals, roommates, employment, and local artists, categorized by U.S. city. Groupon.com, Groupon. Offering daily deals at restaurants, retailers, and service providers. LivingSocial.com, Living Social. Daily special offers for local services, products, and restaurants. Sell.com, Sell.com. Real estate, consumer goods, services, textiles, and telecommunications. TraderOnline.com, Dominion Enterprises. Offers advertisements for used vehicles, trucks, trailers, airplanes, boats, and RVs. Includes information on parts and accessories. Offers free and paid ads. Webclassifieds.us, Gollard Web Services, Inc. Offering pet listings, home-related services, motorcycles, automobile and boats. Free classified ad websites at curlie.org/en/shopping/classifieds/free_classifieds. Adhords.com, Adhords. Global advertisements. The for sale categories include household, materials, and software. AmericanListed.com, American Listed. Provides advertisements in categories such as antiques, baby carriages and house and garden. ArmsList.com, Arms List. Advertisements for firearms, ammunition, and hunting and shooting equipment. Includes a forum and contests. USA. BuySellCommunity.com, Buy Sell Community. Offers a wide variety of areas including antiques, electronics, home and garden, and toys. ClassifiedAds.com, ClassifiedAds.com. Worldwide listings in categories such as services, pets, jobs and personals. CLAZ.org, CLAZ.org. U.S. listings for jobs, vehicles, and items for sale. Sale categories include appliances, furniture, and sporting goods. Craigslist.org, Craigslist. Provides local classifieds and forums for jobs, housing, for sale, services, local community, and events. Diggerslist.com, Diggers List. Home improvement items. Categories include doors and windows, and flooring. U.S. focused. PhillyBuy.com, PhillyBuy.com. Provides global advertisements in different formats including the regular text and picture/video format, or Facebook, YouTube, or etc. Products range from iPhones to yachts. FreeClassifieds.com, FreeClassifieds.com. Advertisements by individuals and businesses across a variety of categories including arts and crafts, exercise equipment, and snow blowers. American, with nationwide or state-by-state browsing. GenClassifieds.com, GenClassifieds.com. USA. With categories including jewelry, furniture, and toys. global-free-classified-ads.com. Offers categories such as jobs, services, items for sale and business opportunities. Goodideo.com, Goodideo. With categories including real estate, pets, clothing and travel. ipost360.com, ipost360. Has items for sale or rent, wanted advertisements, and services and jobs. Mostly US-based. Muhammad.com, Muhammad Free Classifieds. Worldwide advertisements. Categories include for sale, vehicles, and matrimonial. PennySaverUSA.com, PennySaver. USA listings with categories such as cars, pets and real estate. ShopOK.com, ShopOK. Items for sale include bikes, art, and computers. USA. Chapter 3. Garage and yard sale websites. Garage sale websites at cully.org/en/business/retail_trade/retailers/informal_selling. GarageSalestracker.com, Garage Sales Tracker. Find and advertise garage sales in the United States. local-deals.net, local deals. Find local estate sales, yard sales, garage sales. Post your ad for free. Get notified of upcoming sales. weekendtreasure.com, Weekend Treasure. Online postings of North American garage sales and estate sales, associated with online maps. GarageSaleHunter.com, Garage Sale Hunter. Offering a list of sales throughout the United States.